알리칸테는 스페인의 동부 지중해 연안에 있는 도시로 스페인 알리칸테 주의 주도입니다. 1980년대부터 알리칸테의 제조업이 쇠퇴하자 시정부는 관광산업을 육성하였습니다. 그 결과 알리칸테는 스페인에서 크루즈 여행을 위한 가장 중요한 항구가 되었습니다. 오늘은 아프리카 크루즈 여행의 마지막 정박지인 스페인의 알리칸테에 도착하였습니다. 이곳에서 툭툭이를 타고 알리칸테 주변의 산타바바라 산과 시가지를 둘러보았습니다.
That's the main beach from Alicante. The Mar, and the white building is Casa Carbonelli. So we are at Santa Maria Square, Plaza Santa Maria, with the Basilica Santa Maria that's constructed in the 12th century from the Catalans, and in the 14th century, from the 12th century, the Benedict XVI, the Pope, they changed the name from the church to the Basilica. Wait, make the stop to the next street. There is a better view. Yes, and I tell you what we see from here. First is the Castle Santa Barbara, was constructed in the 9th century from the Arabs, and on the left side from the stones. Left side from the stones, down the castle, it's a face. It's called Cabo del Moro, the Moroccan face. See. Here it's coming on the right side, the stairs to go up to the Santa Barbara. And from here you see also the face, the Cabo del Moro. Do you recognize?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Straight up, and to the right is Barrio San Roque. To the left is Santa Cruz, and the stairs down the city is called Barrio Casablanca. The next square is Plaza. For example, like here, the Casablanca, the Hood, there to visit that. here. I just parked my tuk-tuk. Cathedral San Nicolas, it's built in the 16th century. The Cathedral San Nicolas. Then the first two towers, what you see is from Casa Carbonelli, the White House, what I tell you in the front of Puerto del Mar. Casa Carbonelli. The second two towers are from the City Hall, Ayuntamiento de Alicante, when the police they stop us. Don't explain something about the city. Yes, yes. The next city is Santa Pola, and on the left side is a church, a small church, Antonia Church. Now here that's Iglesia Blanca. Was nice?
Beautiful. Nice.
Yes. Every year between first. Park is also Parque de la Ereta, what's all around the castle. And the next hill is San Fernando Castles, Castillo San Fernando. Yes. Yes. Plaza de Toros is worked just in this month. From 20 to 29. All the year is just museum, and just now we have 10 days when they have corridas de toros.
Oh.
Yes, bullfights.
Wow.
And down there is Museo Arqueológico. Yes. La ciudad cerca de la playa o puerto. Sí.
Pongo antenas, ¿sí? Después de las 12, sí.
Gracias. Santa Teresa. With Plaza. Now it's coming the Mercado Central, the Central Market Hall here. Right side. You can visit later. The first floor they have the ham, the cheese, the vegetables. Downstairs down and the fish. And you from the port you come to the restaurant where I woke up just 6 minutes you are here at the market hall. This ficus tree, 150 years old tree.